we're at a house I went to last year. They've got issues with their plumbing lines as well as losing water on edges. So we are going to work on changing out plumbing lines in this thing. We're going to work on fixing low edges where water is dripping out. We're going to get this bridge moved. We're going to get everything clean, power washed, up and running. We're going to relocate this plumbing piece, put that up there out of sight, and fix everything and see how we make this all work for them. It is not first thing. I forgot to do a video. So we're back at a house that we did a cleaning on yesterday. We are redoing their plumbing and the whole system here for them because they have this hodgepodge system that was put together for them with multiple pumps, a canister system, an external pump, internal pumps, a bottom drain. It was like every time they needed to do something, they just tried something new. So taking it all apart, and we're putting this all together as one thing. So right now, if you take a look behind me, there used to be a couple of 3-inch plumbing lines with bottom drains that didn't go through the bottom of the pond, but just went through plumbing lines that disappeared up into the side. There's a skimmer, which wasn't even being used. It was actually underneath the bridge. It looks brand new. Then on top of that, there was a pump in the shelf. There's a biofalls over there, a biofalls over here. There was an external canister up in there. And then we had not external, just a canister. And then an external pump over here. Those are all taken apart. We're gonna use the skimmer. We're gonna take one of their pumps back that was over there, put that in there. Gonna put a new check valve with a plumbing line back over to here where next to where Tony's working. He's running on getting us a plumbing line, so it's going to go to this external pump. So we'll have one biofalls running the external pump. And then the other pump that's in the skimmer is going to come over to this canister that they had a UV light at some point they added, and then a second UV light they added another time. We're going to hook them back up. I don't know if they're really going to do anything for them, but they have them, and they paid someone a good amount of money to put them in. So we're going to replumb that back over to the other skimmer. So we've got this canister system here. Has 2 lines coming out. One goes and drops in. Another one comes this way and goes into that biofalls there. We're going to replumb these. I think there's a pump down in the bottom, which we're going to fix that. There's an aerator here. We're going to take that plumbing line and turn it into a weighted plumbing line for it to get rid of all the pipes. This is going to come 1.5 inches, comes over to here, goes in the back. We're going to then replace this plumbing line that goes around this way to that skimmer. Move this bridge over a little so you can actually access the skimmer.